Hello everyone. Today we solve LeetCode problem number 2784. Check if array is good. First of all, we can understand the problem, then we think about the solution. In problem, we have a given nums array, like you can see, that is the nums array. Nums array is equal to 2 and 1 and 3. Uh, we have to check array is good or not using we have three things to determine that the array is good or not. First of all, first thing is if we have a array size like 3, like if we size is a num num dot size is equal to 1 2 3, then in this case, if it is good array, then we have like digit like 1 2 3 and 3. Like biggest element have a two same repeated number, and it is if it is size is 3, then at least 1 2 and 3 are there, then it is called the good good array. In this case, we have a 1 2 and 3, but we don't have a repeated 3, that's why it is a false. In this case, like we have a uh, size of 4, and then we have a like 1 2 and repeated 3, then it is true. In this in case number 3, then we have a array 1 1, then size is 2, but at least element 1 and the repeated element 1, then it is also a true case. It's also called a good error. In this case, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 size. Then we if it is true, then we have a element like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 5. Then it is called a good. We have a repeated highest, but we can't have a like 5 on that. That's why it is a false. Uh, what is the problem? We have to find out the uh, like if we have a size of 1, then we have a 1 and 1. If we have a size of 2, then we have at least 2 and 2. Then if we have the size of 3, then array look like 1 2 3 and 3. If we have sizes 4, then we have 1 2 3 4 and 4, like that. uh, in this like we have to find at least from 1 to size we have size find out the all element in size, between size all element are present or not. Second thing, we find out the maximum element are repeated. Two things are we have to find out. If it is all things are present in our array, then it is true. If it is not, then we called as a false, uh, written false. Uh, like also we have a constant nums length between the 1 and 100, not uh, more than that. In this case, we have to code on the highest n square, big of n, big of log n, and big of log and log n. Uh, if we write on all these time complexity, then easily we pass the all test cases. Uh, Also, we have a nums I length between the uh, 1 to 200. Uh, then in this case we have to think about the solution. Like we find out the first of all two things. We have to find the maximum number of element in the array. Then like in this case we have the max 4. Then we second thing, we have to check the it is repeated in our array or not. If it is greater than 2, 4 is greater than repeated. That's why we check that it is greater than 2 or equal to. Then third thing, we have to check the all element of present or not. Like if it is 4, then we have to check at least one time, two one time, three one time, or two time. All these things we have to check. Like first approach is the we have to make a one max element, find out the max element using the for loop. Like we use this for loop. We initialize the max element into equal to 0. Then we make a for loop to traverse the full array. Then we store the nums I into the current element. Then we find out the max element. After that, finding the max element is a less than the our n element. Like if it is a size of five, nums array size is 5, then we have a max element is a 4. Then we have to check if um, uh, num max element, like in this case, max element is 4. Then we have plus 1 and check it is not equal to 5. If it is not true, then we have to return false in this case. Then we have to check the all the element frequency, like in case of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. We have to check all the frequency, like 1 at least one time, 2 at least one time, 3 at least one time, 4 at least one time. Then we have to mm, store in the vector all the uh, uh, array, full array, like using the frequency. We traverse the also fully nums array, then find out a uh, count of make a count of the all the element and check it is frequency is not equal to 1, then we return the false. uh, if it is also we find out if max element is not equal to 2, then also we make a return false. All three condition we have to make, like 1, 2, and 3. uh, these are our condition. If it is not lie in these three conditions, then we return false. Otherwise, we return the true, and we can easily pass our test cases. In this code, we have used the extra space of the vector array. That's why we have space complexity of big of n, and we traverse like first we traverse nums array. There, then we have a big of n for that. Then we push all the element into the our vector, then also big of n. Then we check the frequency of element. Then we also have big of n in our code. Then our time complexity is big of n. Space complexity is big of n, and time complexity big of n. Uh, According to our constant of our question, we can easily pass the all test cases using this code. But we have a one more approach. We can use a unordered sort, unordered map have a functionality to store the count value. Like if we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 like array, then this is the map is store the like 1, and then store the count 1, then 2, then 2, then 3, and 3, 4. uh, in int we have the store the original array value. Then we store the array value count, how much time it is. Not it is 1, it is 1. Okay, sorry for that. It is equal to 1 1. Then uh, we, half of the question can solve using these things. After that, we can check the condition. Uh, First of all, we can push all the element into the our unordered map. Then we loop throughout uh, our unordered map and find out the if it is not equal to, if like that, if we have a extra element like say 5, but not have uh, count has 0, then we have easily written the false. Uh, in this case, we have to at least one are in our unordered map. And second condition is maximum element, last element of the our unordered map are the, if not equal to 2, then we can return false. In this case, we checked all the condition of the, like, if it is was equal to, all element equal to 1, and then last element is more than equal to 2. If it is not, we return false. Otherwise, we return true. It's also, we have a traverse the uh, our nums array one time, two time. That's why we have time complexity is the big of m plus big of m. That is equal to big of m. It is our time complexity. And then we use the one unordered map, and we traverse the full unordered map. That's why we have space complexity is equal to big of n. That is the almost same time complexity of the both the solution. But using the both solution, we can easily pass the all test cases because of the our constant are uh, pa- easily pass the all test cases. Let's run this code in the our LeetCode account, then check how much test cases are passes or not. Uh, I already write the code in the lead code. I make a one unordered map, array element and the count, and check push the all element in the unordered map using the for loop. Then check for condition, if it is count is equal to not equal to 1, then return false. And max element, like last element of the our unordered map are if not equal to 2, then return false. Otherwise, return true. Let's run this code. Okay, we easily passes all the test cases. Let's submit it. Okay, let's see. It is already submitted or passes all the test cases, 805 out of 805. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.